What if I told you the secret to detoxing your brain involves a lit candle shoved in your ear? Welcome back to Weird But Well, the channel where we shine a light on wellness trends that are, frankly, a little dim. Today, we're diving headfirst into a fiery debate: ear candling and other ear detoxes. Because apparently, our ears aren't just for listening. They're highly sophisticated chimney flues in desperate need of a good hot cleaning. Is this an ancient purification ritual, a clever way to pull out years of gunk, or just a really good way to light your money on fire? Let's put our skeptical hats on, and maybe some fireproof gloves, and listen closely. First, a quick lesson in ear basics. Your ears are incredible, self-cleaning organs. Earwax, or cerumen, isn't just gross gunk. It's there for a reason. It lubricates and protects the ear canal, traps dust, dirt, and bacteria, and helps ward off infections. And thanks to your jaw movements, it slowly migrates out of your ear, taking the trapped debris with it. It's a perfectly functional, natural conveyor belt. You don't need to manually excavate it. Now enter ear candling. The ritual typically involves lying on your side while a hollow, cone-shaped candle is inserted into your ear canal and lit at the other end. The claim? As the candle burns, it creates a gentle vacuum or a chimney effect that supposedly draws out earwax, toxins, and even impurities from your inner ear and sinuses. When you cut open the spent candle, you're presented with a dark, waxy, sometimes crumbly substance that proponents proudly declare is all the gunk pulled from your head. Sounds super satisfying, right? Like unclogging a drain. Here's the Weird But Well reality check. Numerous scientific studies, and even just a bit of critical thinking, have consistently shown that ear candling does absolutely nothing it claims to do. The dark, waxy residue you see inside the burnt candle, that's not your earwax. That's simply melted candle wax, carbon, and ash from the burning candle itself. If you burn an ear candle in open air, away from any ear, you'll get the exact same results. There's no vacuum effect strong enough to pull anything from your ear canal, let alone your sinuses or brain. The FDA, along with numerous medical organizations, strongly advises against ear candling. Why? Because it's not just ineffective, it's genuinely dangerous. Think about it. You're putting an open flame right next to your head. Risks include burns, hot wax dripping into your ear canal or onto your face. Ouch. Perforated eardrum. The candle can push wax further into your ear or directly damage the eardrum. Blocked ear canal. The candle wax can melt and drip into your ear, making blockages worse and requiring medical removal. Fire hazards. Setting your hair, clothes, or surroundings on fire. Not quite the Zen experience you were aiming for. Your ears don't need a detox. If you have excess earwax that's causing problems, like muffled hearing, please, for the love of your eardrums, see a doctor. They have safe, effective ways to remove it, often just with warm water or a gentle suction. So, while the visual spectacle of ear candling is undeniably something, our why though meter has officially declared this trend pure wax-melting nonsense. Save your money, save your eardrums, and definitely save your hair. Your ears are self-cleaning wonders, and sometimes the best wellness is simply leaving them alone. The content on this channel is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health or treatment. We explore unconventional topics, but our discussions are not endorsements of any practices or products mentioned. What's the weirdest ear-related cure you've ever encountered? Share your stories and your fire safety tips in the comments below. If you found this dive into dubious detoxes both weird and well, hit that like button and subscribe to Weird But Well for more. Until next time, keep your ears clear the old-fashioned, safe way.